Welcome to the race around the world. To start your race properly, you'll need to choose as a team who will be the guides and who will be your team's explorer, as instructed on the screen. Remember, one explorer per team. Everyone else is a guide. Are you ready to start your race? Simply tap on the hot air balloon, tapping the little eye and pressing launch together as one. 3, 2, 1, launch. Let's take a train challenge checkpoint as a guide. All the way to Viva Las Vegas. Tap twice and launch. And ask out loud, where is the strip located? And tap continue. Now it's the explorer's turn. Tap on Las Vegas and press launch and answer. Remember, you only have 30 seconds to make your choice, so work together, listen, and be quick in reading them out. It might take a little practice to get it right. It's time to move on to the next continental stage. Click on the balloon, click the pop-out, and every team member press launch together. And continue together to start the clock at the same time on the next continent. Let's get ready to race, have fun, and may the best team win.